If you have been following this channel now for a while, you must know by now that I've been creating and posting many different unique ways of making YouTube videos without showing your face, and in some cases without even recording your voice. In this video, I'm going to show you another way of making money on YouTube without showing your face by just using simple quiz videos. You see, YouTube has a significant amount of high quality educational and entertaining videos, and video quiz is one of them. Quiz videos gives you the ability to look between interactive questions throughout the video. It allows you to combine several short quizzes into one new video. A quiz video is basically a sequence of video segments, each followed by a question that prompts viewers to think of a response or an answer to give. In this video, I'll be showing you where you can get the quiz test or questions you'll be asking in your videos. We'll be looking at where you can get images for free to use as your video background. Then we'll also be looking at how you can use Canva, the free image editing app, to breathe in some life into the quiz test using the Canva text animation feature. Now, if you keep watching this video till the end, I'll also be showing you different ways of making money with your quiz videos on YouTube. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money uploading videos without showing your face on YouTube, make sure to check the YouTube automation playlist that pops up on the top right of this video, and don't also forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, here is an example of a quiz channel on YouTube. The quiz channel has over 60,000 subscribers, and if you look at the videos on this channel, you'll see that the videos are generating quite a good number of views within a very short time, which goes to show you that there are many people still interested in these types of videos. I'll admit, I also caught myself going down the rabbit hole of watching these videos because most of the quiz videos ask questions that sometimes I also want to know the answers to. It's all about tapping into the curiosity of your viewers. Now, if you take a look at any of these videos, for a start, you'll see that the videos are monetized on YouTube. If you skip the ads and keep watching, you'll soon quickly notice that these are simple videos made with just some written text, a background image, and a voiceover. Anyone can create these types of videos without breaking a sweat. There are just 3 steps in the whole process of creating a quiz video that will easily make you money on YouTube. Gather the quiz question, put it together with an image and a voiceover using any video editor, and finally monetizing it. Now, if you want to know an estimate of what this channel is making, for example, just make a simple search on Social Blade, and as you can see, the quiz channel is making between 400 to 7,000 euros monthly and over 5,000 to 90,000 euros yearly. Here is another channel that's doing the same thing. The Quiz For You channel has over 5,000 subscribers, and the videos are also generating tons of views. If you look at any of the videos on this channel, the only difference between this channel and the first channel, which was the quiz channel, you see that the difference is the styles of the videos. There are many of these types of channels on YouTube, so you can be rest assured it's a tested and proven types of videos on YouTube that makes money for anyone who just takes the time to create these types of videos. But the big question now is, how do you do that? How do you go about creating a quiz video that will start making you money on YouTube? Well, for a start, you definitely need questions to ask your viewers in your videos. BuzzFeed quizzes, for example, is a good place to start. You'll find a link to the BuzzFeed quizzes page in the description box below this video. Now, here, you can easily copy any of these quizzes and use to create your videos. All you have to do here is copy the same questions together with the options to choose from here below. You can also change the images a bit to related but different images when creating your videos. That will help your videos look unique. I'll also be showing you where you can get free images that you can use in your videos. Another way you can get quiz ideas for your videos is by going to any of these quiz channels on YouTube. Select the video option. When the page opens up, filter the results to the most popular videos. That will now display all the videos that are doing well in this niche on this channel. Now in this case, all you have to do is watch some of the most popular videos and create a similar video. You don't have to copy the videos. Instead, you want to be a little bit creative by creating something similar using your own words. Now that you know where to get quizzes to use for your videos, let's now look at how you can start creating the videos. And for that, we're going to be using Canva, the free image and video editing app. Here on Canva, you want to click on create a design, and from the drop down options you want to select the talking presentation. This will allow you to easily create your quiz with ease. Now next, you want to either choose to use a single image as your background or just use any of these pre-made templates. What's important here is to make your text questions and answer options easy to read by your viewers. Now let's just go back to the BuzzFeed website and let me show you an example of the process. So to get started, you want to copy the quiz question or title as the case is here and go back to Canva and paste it in the first slide. Then you want to go back to BuzzFeed again and start copying the different options and pasting them on Canva as different slides. Now you want to keep doing that, copying and pasting the entire quiz here on Canva. So to get any free image to use for your videos, you can click here on any of these two options below. Both options are free images and video websites that have been integrated into Canva. You can use the search bar here to search for any type of image or video in any of these websites to add in your video creation. Simply click on the plus sign here to add a slide or a scene. Now to animate the text you've added into your slides, simply click on the text to select it and then on the three dots on the top right here. Now from the options that appear, click on animation and you'll be provided with different text animation templates here on the left. You want to go through all of them and select the one you would like to use in your video. You can also easily adjust the time of each scene by clicking on the timing option here and adjust it longer or shorter. Now, since we are copying the quiz from another person's post online, it's important that you transform the copied text and make it unique in order to fall under the fair use guidelines on YouTube. And to make that happen, you might want to consider using a voiceover. A voiceover can be you reading the quiz questions and recording it, or using a text-to-speech software. Now, since Canva doesn't have a recording feature, you might want to use another software like Audacity or any recording app on your mobile device to record your audio and import it into Canva. Speechello is a good example of a text-to-speech software that you can use if you don't want to do the voice recording yourself. Just listen to some examples of the Speechello text-to-speech voices.
Hello. I'm Billy, and I'm one of the amazing voices from Speechello. I can read any text in a normal, joyful or serious tone. I really hope we will create a lot of voiceovers together.
Hello, I'm Owen and I'm one of the kid voices from Speechello. I've created a lot of voiceovers for kids' videos and I hope that we will work together.
Hey, I'm one of the Australian female voices from Speechello. My voice is very clear and serious, perfect for training and educational videos.
Mi nombre es Leticia y soy una de las voces femeninas españolas de Speechello. Mi voz es muy clara y seria, perfecta para videos de entrenamiento y educativos.
Je m'appelle Fini, et je suis l'une des voix féminines françaises de Speechello. Ma voix est parfaite pour les vidéos éducatives.
Now always remember to match up your imported audio with the video scenes you have created on Canva, and when you're done, click on the download feature here and select your file type as MP4. It's important to select the MP4 option because that's the recommended video file on YouTube. Next is selecting all the scenes or slides you want to convert into a video file and hit the download button below. Now that you have your quiz video created and saved in your device, it's time to upload it on YouTube and get it monetized. So when it comes to monetizing your videos on YouTube, you want to start with YouTube AdSense, which is an organic way of monetizing any video uploaded on YouTube. The only problem now is your channel needs to reach at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before your channel will be allowed for AdSense monetization on YouTube. However, you can register for affiliate programs like ClickBank and Amazon Associates. Then search for related products to your quiz videos on these platforms. Then copy the affiliate links of the products and paste them in your video description. Now it's important to always shorten the affiliate links before adding them on your YouTube videos. You can use sites like Bitly or any link shortener. Amazon has its own shorten program, so before copying the link from Amazon, you already have the link shortened, so you can just paste that in your video descriptions. By shortening your affiliate link will help prevent the YouTube algorithm looking at your affiliate link as a spam link. And that's all you really need to start doing to start making additional money on YouTube with your quiz videos. Now, one other factor that you will need to make all this work as you want is to get views to your videos. And for that, I got you covered with these step-by-step tutorials on the steps I do follow to get views to my channel videos. You will also find the link to this page in the description box below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.